With that, we bought a 4-bedroom at Seletar Park Residence during the launch at 1.645 million. As mentioned, our plan was to stay with my in-laws, and we also planned to send our kids to Mahabodhi School, so on hindsight, Seletar Park Residence is really far leh. Then somehow just nice, Senate Residence came out in 2013, right at Potong Pasir MRT and much closer to the school. With this thought in mind, we bought a 4-bedroom in Senate Residence for 1.997 mil. Ironically, after experiencing living in Seletar Park Residence as its TOP first, we enjoyed it so much that we decided to stay put and ended up renting out Senate Residence instead. We stayed in SPR for over 6 years. In the 4th year, 2019, we started to feel like the space was getting a little tight for us and our growing kids. We thought of getting a bigger 4 or 5 bedroom initially, wasn't exactly keen on the landed then, not until we visited our client's newly rebuilt house. It was then that we got really inspired and began thinking, could we actually rebuild too? So working towards that, our first step was to sell Senate Residence to free up a name. The plan was to use the proceeds from Senate Residence and our savings to buy an original house to rebuild. But if you notice, from the property price index, we actually entered at a high at 2012 for Seletar Park and 2013 for Senate Residence. This was after 8 rounds of cooling measures, including the introduction of TDSR in 2013, which had a significant impact on people's ability to buy. So when we were looking to make a move in 2019, we knew that we may not see any gain. But looking at the supply and demand, we believed market should be on an upward trend. And with so many rounds of cooling measures in place, we also believed that property prices should grow in a sustainable manner. Thus, since we were upgrading, it definitely made sense to do it earlier rather than later. Luckily, we managed to sell Senate Residence at a record price of 2.15 million then, allowing us to still profit a bit. But here's the thing, do you know how much we can sell it for today? Look at it, guys. The estimated valuation is 2.866 million. Means we actually missed out on 700,000 in profit leh. Does that mean we made the wrong move? We'll take a look at it later.